I created this music using AI and it sounds so real that you can't even believe it was made with AI.
When I see your face, I dey lose control. Every little thing make my body roll. You bring sunshine when the sky is gray. Girl, I want your love every day, every day. You be the melody inside my soul. With you beside me, I can never go wrong. Everybody knows, and now you I choose. Without your love, girl, I feel loose. Baby, come closer. Oh, make me dance to the morning light.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create music for yourself, and you can even upload it in any music platform, even on YouTube, and start making money from it immediately. If you go on YouTube and search for AI music playlists, you'll see thousands of music created with AI, and they have massive views and they are all monetized. So let me show you how you can create something like this for yourself. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to ChatGPT and simply paste this prompt, or you can even modify the prompt depending on the kind of music you want to generate. Like you can hear this song that I just created, it's still playing on the background. So allow ChatGPT to generate the lyrics for you, then copy all the lyrics and head over to this website called Moreka.ai. Now go ahead and paste the lyrics you copied from ChatGPT. If you have your own lyrics, you can go ahead and write it down here on the lyrics section, or you can even generate lyrics from the website. Now come over to the style side and write down the styles you want the AI to produce your music. If it is rock, Afrobeat, reggae, countryside, any style at all you want, just write it down there. What it does is it will produce each song for, if it is reggae, it will produce for reggae, hip hop produce for hip hop, or any countryside to produce countryside music on the style section. Okay, now so you select your vocal gender. If it is male or female, you select the one you want. Then you go ahead to put in your song title. I just find something and just put in here. Then you hit on create. Okay, sorry, I forgot to sign in. So what you do is just click on that login, then you log in with any of your Gmail account or Yahoo account. Then you allow the AI to produce your music for you. Okay, so let's play this song and see what we'll get. Okay guys, so if you find value in this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future videos. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to create royalty free sounds for your YouTube videos. See you in the next video.